one kid, he's always causing trouble. He gets stuck in a tree or he's playing golf.
Yeah, look at that. He fell off a cliff and he went in the fireman practice. What else did he do? Stupid Norman. He's like Caillou.
I know,
Norman.
he is.
It's Norman, isn't it?
No, I'm saying Norman's like Caillou though.
Helicopter.
What's it now?
I know,
I forgot mine.
I like it. I have such a small head that regular headbands come like almost all the way to the back. This one you can fold though, because it's a cloth. Yeah, no, I try to, like, my husband's are all these
You're gonna get all wet, silly.
stuff, and I'm just like, I can't move my
Drop. What are you hitting your head for?
Come on, helicopter, take off so Grayson can see you. I want to see you in the sky.
Yeah, you want to go on a helicopter? Grayson, yeah, he does. You want to ride on a helicopter? Oh boy! You've seen dances here.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Red dirt.
Oh.
Okay, Mom and Dad, make sure he doesn't go red tab or
Okay.
he doesn't get freaked out.
Yes! It's gonna go! Watch it! Watch the helicopter!
Hey, Grayson! Grayson! Hey, Grayson!
Say bye-bye! You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye! Yep, there it goes!
I'll get some pictures of you guys together, or however you want to do it.